Hello guys, in this video we will see Fortnite. Login failed. Step-by-step fix for Xbox and we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step: verify your internet connection and router content before attempting any other fixes. Ensure your internet connection is stable and functional alongside and Xbox. Navigate to your console's network settings to run an internet connection test. Check your network adapter status or browse a few websites to confirm connectivity. If you're using Wi-Fi, try connecting via an Ethernet cable, if possible regardless of your platform. Or cycle your router and modem by unplugging them for 2 seconds, then plugging them back in and waiting for them to fully restart before retesting your connection.
Step: check official Fortnite server status. Content: a login failed message often indicates an issue with the game's servers. Rather than your system, visit the official Epic Games status page. Status Epic Games.com or a reputable third-party server status checker like Down Detector. Look for any reported outages or ongoing maintenance specifically for Fortnite. Login services. If the servers are down or experiencing issues, the only solution is to wait for Epic Games to resolve the problem. No troubleshooting steps on your end will because server-side issues. Step: restart Fortnite and your gaming system. Content: a simple restart can often resolve temporary software glitches. Completely close the Fortnite application on Xbox. Highlight Fortnite on the dashboard. Press the Options button and select Close Game or Quit on. Ensure Fortnite and the Epic Games launcher are fully closed using Task Manager. Shift S to end related processes. If necessary, after closing the game, perform a full power cycle of your console or by turning it off completely, not rest mode, and then restarting it after about 30 seconds.
Step: clear game cache or verify installed game files. Content: corrupted game files or cache data can prevent successful logins for SUS and Xbox. A deep power cycle unplugging the console for menus can help clear the system cache if issues persist. Consider uninstalling Fortnite and then reinstalling it completely. For open the Epic Games launcher, go to your library, click the 3 dots next to Fortnite and select Verify. This will check for and repair any corrupted game files. If verification doesn't work, uninstall Fortnite via the launcher and then reinstall.
Step: review Epic Games account network settings. Content: ensure your Epic Games account details are correct and that you're not encountering issues with two-factor authentication. If enabled, try logging into the Epic Games website in a browser to confirm your credentials are valid. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you're using the correct one linked to your console. As a last resort, consider changing your device's DNS settings on Xbox or manually configure your network settings to use public DNS servers like Google DNS primary, secondary, or cloud layer DNS primary secondary, which can sometimes resolve connectivity issues by providing a more reliable route to game servers.